friends, we're going to talk about money. We're going to start talking about different coins and how much they are worth. All right, so this is the penny. This is the penny, and it's copper brown. It has Abe Lincoln on the front. That's an old president, and it's worth 1 cent. And so a penny is worth 1 cent. And so a way that we can remember that is Miss Hendry has a poem that she likes to use with all of her friends that helps us remember. It says, "Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent." Ready? Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. Very good. All right, so when we count pennies, we count by ones. All right, so this is how we would count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 pennies in our box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means we would have 5 cent. 5 cent. All right. So let me move these back. We'll just do this. All right. So now we have 1, 2. 2 cent. Now we have 1, 2, 3. 3 cent. 3 cent. Very good. All right, guys. Later on your seat work, you're going to have some pennies to count. So remember, penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. So you're going to count by ones. Bye, guys.